What's going on, everyone? Devin here. Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great start to 2020. This is going to be part one of my recent trip to Hawaii. Part two is going to be coming out soon, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Day 3 of the trip. Yesterday we went snorkeling in Waikiki and then went to the cliffs. People usually do surfing and cliff jumping and things like that. And snorkeling was one of the coolest things I've done in a while. I mean, we swam out probably about 1,000 yards in the ocean, and the sea turtles swam right up next to you. They're massive and just so incredible. Something I've never done before. And this morning we're gonna go down to the Pearl Harbor USS Arizona Memorial, like 2 weeks away from the 75th anniversary, and they just finally reopened after being closed down for repairs for like a year and a half or so. After that, we're gonna go do a few small hikes, and tomorrow morning, early, we're heading to the airport and headed to Kauai. But check out this view off the balcony. It's just incredible. Back at the airport, heading to Kauai. Like the only ones in the airport. That's nice. We're gonna be at the airport the next 4 days, so that's exciting, right, Kayleen?
Can't wait.
Quick update: if you're taking Southwest to any of the other islands, prepare to walk an extra possibly 3 to 7 miles. Just something to keep in mind in your travel time. Thank you. Kaylee and all of her friends. Number one, it is raining. Just got to Hawaii. And number two, if you're flying in here, sit on the left side of the plane so you get a nice view of the coastline
Just picked up our Jeep and checked into the hotel. We're staying at the Hilton in Wailua, and everyone's been super nice and helpful so far, but headed to a few of the waterfalls and then head up to the canyon. About half an hour on that dirt road, finally made it out here, and check out this view. Good morning from Kauai, day 2. Just got up for sunrise here at our hotel, and no sunrise at all this morning. But as soon as we start getting ready to head inside, that's just how it goes. And now we're gonna grab some breakfast real quick and then head up to the Nepali coast and start making our way back down before we gotta get to the airport. So it's been raining ever since we left the hotel. We made it all the way to the end of the road at the Nepali coast. Power outages, downed power lines, raining all morning, sitting in traffic, finally made it all the way out here. And now you can no longer do the 2-mile Nepali coastline hike unless you have a permit prior to. And I thought it was that you needed a permit to do the full hike 60 days in advance, but now even the 2-mile hike, you need a permit. So yeah, now we're gonna start making our way back, and like I said, it's been raining all day, so we're gonna try and hit as many spots as we can, but back at the airport. Flight got delayed twice. We're flying into Honolulu just for tonight, and then we're headed to Maui early tomorrow morning. So that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. I post videos just like this every Tuesday. We will see you guys tomorrow in Maui.